If you enjoyed Sounds of Business 1,
and if you liked Sounds of Business 2,
then you'll love Money Music's newest offering, The Very Best of Business. This wonderful CD set includes classic sounds of business such as
Receptionist Typing,
You've Got Mail,
You've Got Mail,
and Waiting for an Interview.
These sounds plus many, many more, such as Conference Call.
Good morning. This is Jim at the headquarters. Who's this? Who we got on the line?
You got Steve, Jim, and Dan over here.
Okay, and we got Bill here in Toronto.
Great.
Hello, this is Ravinder.
Did somebody just come on? Who's
Hello?
that? Anybody?
I think I heard someone.
It's Leonard in Tulsa.
What's wrong with the internet?
Andy, looks like the internet's down. I can't access the Globe and Mail. Get a real copy of Globe and Mail and scan it. And a pot of coffee. We're gonna be here a while.
Aggravated coworker.
Fucking hate you guys.
And fun PowerPoint noises.
All this for $19.95?
Oh yes, but that's not all. If you order The Very Best of Business right now on your touchtone phone, you will also receive
Business Funnies.
Yeah, Chuck, if Rodney Dangerfield were in business, this is probably what it would be like. Bill gets reamed out.
Chris, we need to talk about the hours of business here. Work starts 8:30 sharp, not 8:40, not 8:45. Sometimes I wonder why I hired you. I don't care if you're my son. Get to work on time. And for God's sakes, wear a belt. You're disgusting. Call your mother, she's worried about you.
An employee getting reamed out behind closed doors.
Good God, Johnson, what were you thinking? Mahogany? I asked for cedar. How the hell am I gonna build a closet out of this? I don't care if it's not your job. You can deliver the mail and build me a closet, for God's sakes.
And water cooler boys. Hey, Betty looks smoking hot today.
Oh man, I'd sure like to file her reports if you know what I mean.
Yeah, her power prezzo would be full of animation, complete with sound effects, if you follow me.
No doubt.
Sexual harassment in the office, now that's funny. And of course, the cell phone guy.
As we can see, profits are down, because it looks like we're not closing the deal. So... Come on, Bill, I'm presenting here.
Sorry.
But wait, not only will you get the very best of business and business funnies, you'll also receive Learning to Understand Consultants absolutely free. Translation:
Your plant is very efficient.
So for the low price of $19.95, you'll receive
the very best of business,
Business Funnies,
and Learning to Understand Consultants absolutely free. This is a limited time offer.
So call now, 1-800-BIZ-NAS.
Operators are standing by and looking fine. Come here, honey. Come sit on my lap.